Dear students of class 9, welcome to you all in online class. In our math class today, we are going to learn about binomial expansions. The next step, we have already discussed about Pascal's triangle and how to use Pascal triangle to expand a binomial uh, term. So today we are going to find out the limitations of Pascal triangle, and we will be discuss about how to uh, how to overcome the limitations of Pascal triangle. So let's carry on. In last class, we have already discussed that a Pascal triangle is like the Pascal triangle is like 1, then Pascal triangle is like this: 1, then 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, and then 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So for with using this, we can find out a plus b whole to the power 0 equal to 1. Just there will be one term which is 1. For a plus b whole to the power 1, we get a plus b. And for using this third line, we can find a plus b whole square, which has three terms: a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that is 1. Coefficient of a square is 1, coefficient of ab is 2, and coefficient of b square is 1. That is 1 to 1. For a plus b whole cube, we have a to the power a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And for a plus b to the power 4, we get a power 4 plus 4a cube b plus 6a square b square plus 4a b cube plus b power 4. So you can see that for every expansion, we need to take help of the previous expansion. When we are using Pascal triangle, for every expansion, we have to take help of the previous expansion, and for previous expansion we have to take help of the uh, previous expansion. So like this. So if you are told to uh, find out a plus b whole to the power 31, then it will be a huge task to find out the Pascal triangle for uh, 31 lines or 31 degree. Uh, Here the degree is n, degree n is equal to 0. Here degree n is equal to 2, 1. Like this, you have to write 32 lines for 32 uh, rows for a plus b whole to the power expansion of a plus b whole to the power 31. So what can we uh, do to overcome this situation or this problem? So you must write down a question now. Write down the answer. write down the answer of the question. What is the limitation of Pascal's triangle in binomial expansion? So expansion, for binomial expansion, a Pascal triangle has some limitations. What are the limitations, or what is the limitations? Limitation. So write down the limitation of Pascal triangle. So now we are going to discuss how to overcome this situation. So for starting this discussion, we have to know something uh, very new, some notations or some symbols which is very new for you. First, we have to know what is factorial sign. Factorial sign. What is factorial sign? Factorial sign looks like the exclamatory sign, or like this. So this is the sign for factorial, and sometimes factorial is written like this, like this. This is factorial sign. But what does this but what does this mean? This means, say you are given 3 factorial like this. So this means 3 into 2 into 1. You are given 4 factorial like this. You have to write it 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If you are given 5 factorial, then you can write it like this: 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 5 factorial, these are the meaning of factorial sign. If you are given n factorial, then you have to write like this: n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, then n minus 4, then dot 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 up to 3 2 1, like this. So this is the meaning of factorial. Sometimes factorial sign is written like this: 3 factorial, 4 factorial, or factorial of 5, factorial of n. Factorial sign is also written like this. So I think you could understand the idea of factorial sign. This is needed in especially in binomial expansion. Factorial sign is specially used in binomial expansion, and also in statistics and combinatorics, which is combination, permutation, etc. This factorial sign is you will see it in your next class and next class, so on. This is this idea is very important, so please remember this idea, or this notation, and the expansion, like when 3 factorial is given, 3 into 2 into 1. So when 7 factorial is given, you have to write it like this: 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So what is the result? If factorial is given, the result is here 3 factorial is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Here 3 into 2 into 4, 4 6 are 60, 24, and so on. You can find out the result, 24, and here is 120. If you are given 100 factorial, then it is very huge number to calculate. So now we are going to show you a special sign, which is combination sign, or you can say it NCR. This sign is used in combinations, in combinatories. NCR means you are given n items and you have to choose uh, R items from them. So you have to choose R items from them. How many way are there to choose them? So this answer is NCR is the way. So for an example, suppose you were given 3 balls. One ball is white, one ball is half white, and one ball is black. And you are to choose one ball from the 3. You have to choose one ball from the 3. So 3 choose 1. We will say that say this term is 3 choose 1, or n chooser. N chooser means from n item you have to choose R items. How many ways are there to choose them? So now 3C1 means you can make a choice 1, white one. You have to take any one, so you can make 3 moves. Like you can pick white one, or you can pick black one, or you can pick the uh, semi-white one. So NC1 is equal to 3. If you are given that 3C2, then 3 choose 2 means you have to choose 2 balls from the given 3 balls. How many ways are there? So you can choose like these 2. So one option white and semi-white. Second option is like you can choose white and black, white and black, and third option is to choose semi-white and black, semi-white and black. So what are the options? You have 3 options. Now, what is the difference if I say how many is what is 4C2? Now you can see you are given A, B, C and D, 4 items. You have to choose any 2. So you can choose A and B. So one option is here, plus you can choose A and C. So another one option is here. You can choose A and D. So another option we are here. So you can choose you have choose AB, AC and AD. So now you have to choose BC, that is 1, plus another one is BD, so another one. Then you have remain only one connection, that is CD, that is another one. So you have to have total 1 2 3 4 5 6 options. So this 6 is 4C2. If you are told to choose 3 balls from 3 3 letters from A B C D, A B C D, you have to choose 3 letters from A B C D. You can say 4C3. Which will be, what will be the result? Result will be, you can take ABC, which is 1. You can take ACD. Okay, this is also another one. You can take ABD. This is another one, and you can take BCD. This is another one. Look carefully that there is no other option you can take. You will say A, B, and D. Yes, you have taken A, B, D. You will take no, C, B, and D. C, B, D. Okay, B, C, D. Here you have taken this option. So you can make choice only 4 ways. So 4C3 is equal to 4. So this is how we can find out NCR. Now if you are given 12C5, what happens? You are given 12C5, so you have 12 letters like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So you have 12 letters. Now you have to choose any 5. What will we do? Okay, this is a problem. So what should we do is we need to get a formula which will make our calculations easy. Otherwise it is very tough to find out the 5 options. How many type of 5 balls you can take? A, B, C, D, E, or A, F, G, H, I, or A, B, F, G, H. Many options you can find out from here. And if you want to make a list like this, then it will be very impossible to find out what is the value of 12 choose 5. So what you have to do is you have to get a formula, which formula will give you the value of 12C5. So the formula is 12 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 12 minus 5 factorial. So what is 12 factorial divided by 5 factorial, 12 minus 5 factorial, that is 12 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 6 factorial, which means you have to find out 12 factorial. 12 factorial means 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Oh my god. Then you have to take 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then you have to take 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So now what you have to do is cancel, which can be cancelled from denominator numerator, that is 6 and 6 can be cancelled, 5 5 4 4 3 3 2 2 1 and 1. So what you got is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. And now here you have 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So you can take a 6 here. If you take 6 here, you have not to cancel the 6. So this is the answer of uh, answer of 12C5. So what is the answer of 5C3? Then answer is 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial, sorry, 3 factorial. This 5 will come as 5 factorial and this 3 will come as 3 factorial, and difference in 5 and 3 is 5 minus 3 factorial, that is 5 factorial by 3 factorial and 2 factorial, which is the answer. You will get like 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 3 into 2 into 1, 2 into 1. So you can cancel 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2 into 1. So you will get 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. So good news is your scientific calculator has an option which will give you the value of factorial, like you will say in fx 100 ms or 991 ms, it is on x factorial is just under the mode button, that is shift and x inverse 1. This button will give you the factorial. You will write 5 first, then the button factorial, shift, then you will get shift, then x inverse. This button will give you factorial in fx 991 ms, or I think in 100 ms also this is applicable. And for 99 was EX series. For Casio EX series, for EX series you will get factorial sign let me see where it is hidden. Also x inverse, it is also shift x inverse. Shift x inverse is will give you factorial sign for fx 991ex. I have these two calculators for so I can tell you, and find where this sign is given in your calculator, and then you can find the value, find this factorial value easily. Now what is needed to do is, sir, why we have learned all of this? All these we learn is to overcome the limitation of Pascal triangle. So Pascal triangle, the limit we have to overcome the limitation of Pascal's triangle. So we have uh, learned all these. What is n choose r? What is n factorial, etc. So remember this n choose r can be written like this: n r. In your textbook, they have written, the writers have written n choose r in the form of the first bracket n and r. This is also a modern technique to write down n, sorry, not a modern technique. This is also a technique of written write n choose r. So n r is equal to basically n choose r. They're same. Now we have to do one thing. We have to do one thing is, if we write 0 choose 0, then we will get nothing out of nothing. So we have only one option, that is nothing. If we are given that we have to choose 2C1, then you are given two balls, black and white, you have to choose any one. So you have to take either one black one or either white one. So n2C1 is equal to 2. If you are given 3C1, or if you are given uh, 2C0, 2C0, then what happens? 2C0 means you are given two balls and you have to choose nothing. So you have only one option, choose nothing. So this is one. If you are given 2C2, you are given two balls and you have to choose two balls from two balls. So you have only one option, choosing to choose two balls. And now 3C0 means 3C0 means you have only one option, you have three balls, you have to choose any one of these. So you have only one option, choose nothing. So the option number is 1. If you have to choose one ball, then you have to choose one ball, then you have three options, either white or black or semi-white, that is 3C1 is 3. If you have to choose two balls from 3, 3C2 means if you want to choose two balls, you can take these two or take these two or take these two. So you have three options. AB, BC or CA. And you have, if you write 3C3, you have to choose three balls from three balls. That is, you have only one option. So what we get actually is 0C0 is equal to 1. If we consider choosing from two balls, then 2C0 is equal to, we can choose from two balls like this, 2C0 and 2C1 and 2C2. If one ball is given, we can choose like this, 1C0, we can choose nothing, or we can choose 1C1. Now we will see it like this. You are given nothing, you have to choose nothing. This is 0C0. You are given one ball or one letter, that is A. You are given A. You have to choose any letter from, any one letter from this, that is 1C1, or you can choose like nothing from it. So you can take it by 2, 1C0, nothing choice, and you can choose like 1C1. You can choose only one ball from here. Or you are given two balls, you can choose no balls from here. You can choose one ball from here. You can choose two balls from here. If you are given three balls, you can choose nothing from here. You can choose one ball from here. You can choose mm, two balls from here. You can choose three balls from here, and then you cannot choose. If you are given four balls, you can choose no balls from here. You can choose one ball from four ball. You can choose two balls from four balls. You can choose three balls from four balls. You can choose four balls from four balls. Now we have got a triangle, not like Pascal triangle, but we have got a triangle. Now uh, let us find the values. 0C0 means 1. Use your calculator to find out where the division sign is. Division button in your calculator will give the C. So you will write 0, then shift division, and then 0 equals 1. You will type the button 0, n is equal to 0. You will write for n 0, then shift, then the division sign in your calculator. The division sign will give you NCR. Then you will press the button 0. Then you will get 1. Likely, if you 1, then shift, then division button, 1, then shift, then division button, then 0, you will get also, here also you will get 1. If you press 1C1, then also you will get 1. If you press 2C0, you will get 1. 2C0, I have shown you that 2C0 means 1. 2C0 means 1. So for the 2C0 we have 1. If you take one ball from two, like A and B, you have to choose any one, the ball A and the ball B. You have to choose any one. Either you have to choose A or you have to choose B. So you have two options, 2. And now you can use a calculator, or you can think like this. You have to choose two balls from two balls, that is, you have only one option, take both of A and B. So you have only one option, which is 1. Now 3C0 means you are given three balls, A, B and C, the ball A, the ball B and the ball C. You have to take no balls from here, so you have only one option, which is take nothing, that is 1. If you are to take one ball from 3, then you have to take either A, or you can take B, or you can choose C. So you have three options, which is 3. If you have to take two balls from 3, then you can take AB, BC or AC, that is, you have three options. And if you have to take three balls from 3, you have to take A, B and C, you have no other option, so the value is 1. And likely 4C0 is equal to 1, and 4C1 equal to, you have to take one ball from 4, that is 4. And I have shown you, you have to take two balls from 4 balls, you have 6 ways. And 3 ball from 4 ball, you have 3 ways, 4 ways. 3 balls from 4 balls, you have 4 ways. You have to take, if you have to take 4 balls from 4 ball, you have 1. And so using these 4C0, 4C1, 4C2, 4C3, 4C4, you can take 5C0, 5C1, 5C2, 5C4, 3, 5C4 and 5C5. Then using calculator or using manual way, which is the manual way, I'll show you. 5C0 is 5 factorial by 0 factorial to 5 factorial. 5 minus 0 equal to 5 factorial, which is 1, because 0 factorial is equal to 1. Remember it, 0 factorial is not 0, 0 factorial is equal to 1. So 5 factorial by 5 factorial, that is 1, and 0 factorial equal to 1, that is 1 by 1 into 1 equal to 1. So 5C0 is equal to 1. 5C1 means 5 factorial divided by 1 factorial into 5 minus 1, it is 4 factorial, which is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 to 1, 3 to 1 cancelled, 4 cancelled, you have only 5, that is 5C1. 5C1 equal to 5. 5C2 is equal to 5 factorial by 2 factorial, and 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 factorial, which is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 1 into 3 into 2 into 1. 3 to 1, 3 to 1 cancels, 2 and 4, that is 2. 5 into 2 equal to 10, that is, here will be 10. If you take 5 factorial 5C3, then you will get 5 factorial divided by 5C3 means 3 factorial, and 5 minus 3 equal to 2 factorial, which is equal to same thing, that is we can say it is also equal to 10. So 10, if you are given 5 options, you have to take 5C4, and you 5C4 means 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 factorial, that is which is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 1 factorial. Then 4 3 to 1, 4 3 to 1 is cancelled. 1 means 1 factorial means 1, that is 1. You have only 5 here, 5. And if you have to take 5 balls from 5 ball, then you have to you have only one choice, that is take 5 balls, that is 1. So what you can see is, if we calculate the values 5C0, 5C1, 5C2, 5C3 and 5C4, 5C5 without taking help of the previous row, we can build up the fifth row of Pascal's triangle. This is a formula, and this is the formula which we will use to find out Pascal's triangle, find out the Pascal's row without using the Pascal's triangle. Pause the video and try it by yourself. Now I am going to show you what will be the answer. 1 plus y whole to the power 9 means, okay, 9 choose 0 into 1 to the power 9 plus 9 choose 1 into 1 to the power 9, sorry, 1 to the power 8 y to the power 1 plus 9C2 1 to the power 8 will be 7 y to the power 2, 9C3 1 to the power 6 y to the power 3 plus 9C4 1 to the power 6 5 and y to the power 4 plus 9C3 sorry 4 5 1 to the power 4 y to the power 5, 9C4 1 to the power 5, sorry 9C6 1 to the power 4, then 3 y to the power 6, 9C5 6 7 1 to the power 2 y to the power 7 plus 9C8 1 to the power 1 y to the power 8 plus 9C9 1 to the power 0 y to the power 9. So this is the answer. 1 to the power 0 equal to 1, so we don't have to write this. Now 9C0 means 1, so we'll write 1 into 1 plus 9C1 means 9 y to the power 1 is equal to y plus 9C2, let me calculate using calculator. 9C2 equal to 36 y square, 9C3 3, 9c3 is 84, 84 y cube, 9c4 equal to 126 y to the power 4, and 9c5 equal to 126 y to the power 5, and 9c4 1 to the power 5 means 1 power 5, 8, 1 power 7, 1 power 6, they are cancelled because anything power 1 is 1. So we'll calculate like this to 126. Then if once you get 126 and 126, then you will get 9c6. 9c6 means 84 y to the power 6. 967, 9c7 means 36 y to the power 7. 9c8 means 9 y to the power 8. 9c9 means 1 y to the power 9. So this is the answer. So we will 1 into 1 is equal to 1, therefore we will not write this one. Then this is the expansion. We didn't have to use the Pascal's triangles for the expansion. This is the idea of n choose r. So what is the division? N factorial means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 dot dot 3 2 up to 1. N factorial means from n you have to reduce the number 1 by 1 and multiply up to 1, and n chooser or NCR equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial, uh, which will give you the coefficient, uh, which is the formula we can use and for Pascal's triangle. Which is equal to, you can say write like this, n okay, you can write it like this already. And this is the formula which will help us to avoid Pascal's triangles. Now your homework is, don't use Pascal's triangle and expand the binomials. 1 1 plus x whole to the power 12, 1 minus x whole to the power 5, 1 plus x square whole to the power 8, 1 minus x square whole to the power 11. So this is your homework. You have to expand these binomials Okay, another one is 4 is not even a round number, so we'll get 2 plus 2 plus a whole to the power 13. Okay, these 5 expansions you have to do as your homework to practice how to expand the binomials without using the Pascal's triangle. Thank you all. See you in the next class. Up to then, be happy, be good, and study hard.